Welcome everyone, today we're drawing a cute cartoon penguin. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. On the top left side of each eye, we'll draw a smaller circle coming in for a highlight. Just pull that back out. And I'll line that up on the right. Let's draw a smaller circle on the bottom right side. And I'll fill the eyes in black. Now let's move in between the eyes and draw the top edge of the beak. Let's start on the left. I'm going to curve this up and then down. Let's draw a small curve coming down from the left and then back up. Let's draw the bottom of the beak going back to the left, coming down and then up. Let's move all the way over to the left side and draw the bottom of the head. We're going to start on the left, goes down underneath the mouth and then back up on the right. Let's go back to the left side, draw the top of the head. We're going to go up, round at the head, come across and then down towards the right. Let's add that trim around the face. Starting from the bottom left, we're just going to curl around the eye, come in and then down towards the middle to create a point. Go up around the right eye, come down the side, and then bend that in. Let's round up the side of the scarf. Starting from the bottom corner of the head, bend this out and then in on both sides. Let's move to the center, draw a straight line coming down the scarf, across the bottom and go straight up. I just want to curve the scarf underneath. Back to the left side, bend this down and in. Continue over on the right, going out and up. Let's add those stripes coming down at an angle. Starting from the top left, come down towards the bottom, and move over, draw another one. Go all the way over towards the right and do that once more. Let's add two across the center. Now I want to tuck the body in underneath the scarf. Let's start on the left side, bend this out, and then in towards the bottom. Now we'll close off the bottom with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's draw the feet on top of the body. Starting on the left, curve this up and then down. Let's add that trim across the side of the body, starting underneath the scarf, going around and then in on top of the feet. And we're going to add the wings along the side, starting on the left, going out and down. Round out the wing, and just pull that back up towards the side. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's our cute cartoon drawing of a penguin. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.